How to transfer money from Square to Cash App. So first we will need to link our accounts. So just click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And from here we want to select the linked banks option. So right here you should see the option to link a debit card. Just select it. And once we're taken to this screen, we want to click on no card. So it will instead take us to the bank account linking section. Just select continue, and where it says search institutions, we have to search for Square. So as you can see, we have Square right here. So we just click on it and it will ask you to log in into your Square account. So after you have logged in into your Square account, it will just take you through the authorization process. And once our accounts are connected, then here's how we actually transfer money from Square. So you want to go to the main page of Cash App once more and just click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Now right here, if we wanna add money from Square to Cash App, then you click on add cash. You select the amount that you would like to add. So for example, let's do $50. Just click on add $50, and if your accounts are connected, then right here it will just ask you to authorize your payment from Square. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.